If you're an independent artist and you've been thinking about getting your music out there on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, or YouTube Music, you've probably wondered which platform is the best for distribution. Well, let me save you some time. Soundon is one of the best free options available right now, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your music to Soundon step by step, even if it's your very first time doing it. Now, before we dive into the actual uploading process, let's quickly talk about why Soundon deserves your attention. First of all, it is owned by TikTok. That means if you're aiming to go viral, grow your audience, or get your music picked up for TikTok videos, Soundon gives you a direct line to that entire ecosystem, and that's already a big win. But here's the real kicker. Unlike other distributors that charge yearly subscription fees or take a hefty cut of your royalties, Soundon lets you release music completely free and keeps you in control of your rights and revenue. When it comes to TikTok specifically, Soundon uses a revenue sharing model where they take a 10% commission and you keep 90% of the earnings generated from your music being used in videos. That is still a very artist-friendly deal, especially when compared to what traditional labels or even other distributors offer. So if you're trying to maximize your earnings while maintaining ownership of your music, Soundon makes a lot of sense. Alright, now let's break down how to actually upload your music. Step 1. Head over to Soundon. Global and click Sign Up. You can use your email address or link your TikTok account. Both options work perfectly. If you choose to sign up with email, create a strong password, and they'll send you a verification code. You'll need to check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the box on the site to verify your email. After that, agree to their policies and submit the form. Congratulations! You've just created your free Soundon account. Next, you'll need to build your artist profile and verify your identity. Click the Submit Your Account Information button. Choose Artist if you're a solo artist, or Label if you're managing multiple acts. In our case, let's go with an artist profile. You'll be asked to enter your stage name, your legal name, and an identification number, such as from a passport, national ID, or driver's license. You'll also need to upload a clear image of your ID document. To finalize your artist profile, you'll have to sign a distribution agreement with Soundon. This contract will be sent to your email. Take your time to read through it carefully. Unfortunately, because the terms are confidential, I can't walk you through the entire contract, but just know that there are no hidden fees or shady clauses. Everything about royalty splits and revenue sharing is upfront and transparent. Now let's move on to uploading your actual music file. Soundon supports high-quality audio formats like WAV or FLAC, so make sure your file is professionally mixed and mastered. Avoid background noise or unfinished versions. It should be final and ready for listeners. After uploading the audio, you'll be asked to choose a snippet of your track that will appear on TikTok before the official release. This is important for marketing, so take the time to pick a section that's catchy or represents your hook well. One of the most critical steps in this process is filling out your track information. This includes the song title, the main genre and subgenre, contributor details like producers or featured artists, and all other required metadata. Be accurate. This info helps with playlist placements and searchability. When it comes to your cover art, make sure it's high quality, at least 3000 x 3000 pixels, and in either JPG or PNG format. The artwork should visually match the vibe or mood of your song. Avoid using logos, brand names, or copyrighted material unless you have full rights. This is the first thing listeners see, so it needs to be clean and professional. You'll also see options to input ISRC and UPC codes. If you don't already have these, don't worry. Soundon will automatically generate them for you at no extra cost. Next is the distribution settings. Here, you choose which platforms your music will appear on, such as Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, YouTube Music, TikTok, and more. Select your release type, whether it's a single, EP, or album, and set a release date. It's a good idea to schedule your release at least 7 to 10 days in advance. That gives you time to promote the track, pitch to playlists, and build anticipation before it drops. The more lead time you have, the better. Now let's talk monetization. Soundon allows you to enable TikTok monetization and YouTube Content ID. That means you can earn money every time your track is used in a video on either platform. As mentioned earlier, TikTok takes 10% and you keep 90%, which is a very generous rate. For every other platform, you keep 100% of your royalties. Just make sure you own all the rights to your song, including the beat, vocals, and artwork. If you don't, your release could be flagged, demonetized, or taken down. Once you've completed all the fields, double-check everything: spelling, track name, cover art, audio file, contributor info. Make sure everything is accurate and polished. When you're satisfied, hit submit. Soundon will review your release, and if everything is in order, it typically gets approved within a few business days. And that's it. Your music will go live on all the major platforms you selected. From your Soundon dashboard, you'll be able to track your streams, TikTok activity, earnings, and more. No monthly fees, no hidden contracts, just your music, released on your terms. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment if you have any questions, or if you just uploaded your first track. I'll be checking the comments and cheering you on. Until next time, keep creating and keep building your sound.